Today we will discuss a tension trick and problems from the Newton laws of motion chapter. Newton laws of motion from that tension trick. Before going to tension trick, we need to learn the tension. What is meant by tension? For understanding purpose, tension, you see the diagrams. The first one, two persons are pulling each other. Because of this person pulls this side, and you can see arrow mark like this, and this person pulls that side, the arrow mark you can see like this. So here stretching force will develop inside of a string. That force is called tension. Here we are taking T and T. Second diagram, in this weight is acting downward, mg is acting downward. Because of that, tension will develop inside of a string upwards, because pulling downwards weight. Here tension T, and rope also pulls the upward. At that time block pulls the downward. So here tension we can write T. Look at the third diagram. From this M1G is acting downward. Here instead of B you take it as M1, and in A block instead of A you take it as M2. Here M1G acting downward and tension develop inside of string T. M1G pulls downward, tension pulls upward. At this point, here string pulls upward, block pulls downward. Arrow will be like this. And M2G, weight is acting downward, M2G, and because of M2G pulls downward, and here tension develop upward, and string pulls upward, block pulls downward. So here double-sided force. Tension is double-sided force. And diagram 1, 2, 3, what we can understand, what is meant by tension. Tension is a pulling force and double side force. It pulls the object, and both sides it will act. But sometimes based on our convenience we will take only one side. Now look at this diagram. In this diagram, initially here this is string and pulleys, string and pulleys. Both are massless, pulleys and strings. For massless string, tension everywhere is same. Now look at this diagram. M1C is acting weight downward and tension is acting upward. Here weight is acting downward means tension acting upward. Here tension pulls upward means here block pulls downward. This is also T. And along this string, tension everywhere is same. For massless string, tension everywhere is same. That's why here M2G is acting downward, weight of the block, and tension is acting upward. Tension is double-sided force, that's why you can draw this tension downward also. Now tension is pulling force and double-sided force, that's why here tension we can write 2 times. Here look at this diagram, and M1 is greater than M2. The same diagram. Initially this is the horizontal level. Because of M1 is greater than M2, block is pulling downward and moving downward. So X displaced you assume. At the same time, here M2 block also move upward with X displacement. So here weight of the M1 block is acting downward, M1G, and the tension is acting upward. Along the string, tension is everywhere same. That's why here M2G is acting downward, and tension is acting upward. Now tension is acting upward and displacement also acting upward. Then angle between them is 0 degrees because both are parallel. Here displacement is acting downward and tension is acting upward. Here angle between them is 180 degree. Here theta is 0 degree, here theta is 180 degree. Now what is the work done formula? We know that work done formula, work done equals to W equals to Fs cos theta. So from that, what is the work done by tension on the blocks? We need to find out. Here look at this diagram. This is tension, this is tension. Due to these two tensions, what is the work done on the blocks at M1? Here work done by tension at block M1. Here tension is acting upward, displacement is downward and angle is 180 degree. The formula is tension into displacement cos 180. This gives cos 180 is -1. So cos 180 is -1. From that, work done by tension at M1 is minus Tx. Let us take this is equation 1. And at M2, you look at the diagram. At M2, work done by tension. WTM2 equals to T into here displacement and tension. Both are upward direction and angle is theta. T into x into cos 0. Cos 0 value is 1. So work done cos 0 is 1. Work done by tension at M2 equals to Tx. Let us take this is equation 2. From 1 and 2 what we can write? Net work done Wt equals to Wt at M1, work done at M1 by the tension and work done at M2 by the tension, minus Tx plus Tx, which is equal to 0. Now what is meant by tension trick? Tension trick says net work done by tension on the blocks will be 0. That is sigma Wt equals to 0. Now this tension trick on differentiation, you can get sigma T bar dot V bar equals to 0. Here tension is constant and displacement varies with respect to time. That's why dx by dt equals to velocity. And on differentiation again this equation, you can get the another equation. So here tension is constant and velocity changes with respect to time. That's why sigma T bar dot A bar equals to 0. Here T is constant and here velocity varies with respect to time. dv by dt equals to acceleration. Mainly these three equations are important. Look at this first problem. And acceleration of B block is 3 meter per second square. And what is the acceleration of A block? On the B block, weight is acting downward. Because of that, tension act upward. And along this string, tension is same. We can take it as T. And this is T means this reaction force must be equal. That's why this is T by 2. And this is T by 2. Here T by 2 plus T by 2 which is equals to T. And tension is double-sided force means we can take T by 2 this side and look at this diagram. This is T by 2 and this is T by 2. We can take which is equal to T for action and reaction forces. And again you look at this here, we can take double-sided force TT also. Now tension formula T bar dot A bar equals 0. Now look at the A block, tension is acting along this direction T by 2 and acceleration same direction AA. Again coming to B block, on the B block tension is acting upward and acceleration is downward AB. Here angle theta is 0 degrees because both are parallel, tension and acceleration. Here tension and acceleration opposite direction, theta is 180 degree. Now here cos 0 is 1, here cos 180 is minus 1. Now from the tension trick, T bar dot A bar equals to 0. Substitute these R values. Here T and acceleration at A block. T by 2 into AA cos 0 degrees. Plus here T into AB cos 180, which is equals to 0. Now here cos 0 is 1 T by 2 AA plus here cos 180 is minus TAB equals to 0. We can remove the T and finally we can take AA equals to AA by 2 equals to AB and AB value is 3. So 3 into 3 to is 6. AA equals to 6 meter per second square. Look at the second problem. In this velocity of A block is 2 meter per second. And what is the velocity of B block? Here weight of the block is B block is acting downward and tension is acting upward. I am taking T. Along this string tension everywhere is same, that's why this is also T. And this is T and this is T means, and total T is 2T act upward. Along this string tension is everywhere same, this is also 2T. Now 2T act 4T upward, and along this string 4T will act this side also. Here 4T act upward, total 8T, and along this string tension is 8T. Here what is the tension trick formula? Here tension is acting upward and velocity also moving upward. Here angle between them is 0 degrees. Coming to B block, here velocity is downward and tension is upward. The angle between them is 180 degree. Now apply the tension trick. What is the tension trick? Sigma T bar dot V bar equals to 0. Now at A block, velocity and tension acting both same direction, angle is 0 degrees. I am writing directly velocity into 8T because cos 0 is 1. Here tension and velocity is opposite direction, cos 180 is minus, that's why minus T into V I am writing. Here VA and VB equals to 0. Here TT we can remove. Directly VA is how much? 2. 8 into 2 is 16 minus VB T gets cancelled, which is equals to 0. VB equals to 16 meter per second. This is the answer. Now look at the third problem. Here how many degrees of freedom are there and all velocities are positive downward given this problem. For D, here weight is acting downward, tension is acting T. Along this string tension is same, let us take T. Along this string tension is same, take T. So this is T acting upward, sum of 2T act upward. Along this string tension 2T, because massless strings everywhere tension is same. Along this here 2T means 4T act upwards. And again 2T along this string act 2T upwards. Along this string 2T act upwards. 2T 4T acts upwards. Along this string 4T. And along this string 4T act upwards. Here 40, 80T. How many degrees of freedom? That means how many variables will come. Write the tension trick formula. According to tension trick, sigma T bar dot V bar equals to 0. In this pulley block system, all tensions and velocities are opposite direction. Negative sign will come. Instead of negative, directly I am taking positive sign. For VD and T, here negative sign will come, but instead of negative I am taking directly positive. T, VD. Plus here also opposite direction is there, negative sign will come, because of that positive sign I am taking. 4T into VC. Again here also same, plus 8T into VB. Again here also same, 4T into VA. Because of negative sign, positive sign I am taking, because all are opposite directions, which is equal to 0. T you can remove. Now from that VD plus 4VC plus 8VB plus 4VA. This is the relation between VA, VB and VC and VD. 4 degrees of freedom.